Say hi to my vlog.
What? This one?
Ice cream. Ang ganda nito, oh. Just all the white flowers. Alam niyo ba yung chair na yan? Makikita mo yan everywhere. Kaso, may mga meaning siya. Kumbaga, mga parang yung tao, kung siguro yung tao na yun dati, yung namatay na tao, mahilig siya pumunta dito, tapos nilagyan nilang chair. One of their favorite place to hang out, maybe. Naglagay sila ng chair, yung family, parang donation na chair. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh. O, diba? Pwede ka mag-photoshoot dyan, oh. Kung mayroon ka mga occasion, birthdays, weddings. Pwede kasi white yung flowers. Puti yung flowers niya, oh. Tapos may nag-iwan silang flowers doon, oh. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakasit up niya, parang fairy, ano. Fairy style. Yung flowers, patay na nga yung flowers, pero bakit kaya ang daming langaw? Ayan, oh. Oh, patay na yung flowers. Hindi na kailangan kasi may mga flowers naman, oh. Ganda ng white flowers. Ganda niyan, oh. Ganda niya. Tingnan nyo ang view sa chair na to. Diba? Mga aking man, huh? Kapang ko. Chris! Ang gwapo! Diba? Tapos balik tayo dito sa Bulaklak. Tapos tingnan mo, may ribbon yung puno. Usually pag naglalagay sila ng ganyan, protected yung tree. Diba? May mga wishes sila. Red ribbon. May bagul pa. Bagul, oh, bagul. Diba bagul? May bagul dyan. Daming langaw. Mabaho pati. There. And there's bed. Ay, may ibon dyan, oh. Ayaw mapictuan. What bridge is this again? What bridge is it again?
I don't know the name of the bridge, but it's the River Wye.
The River Wye? Like why?
It's a viaduct. It's not a bridge. I forget the name of the viaduct. Monsell Trail.
Monsell Trail. Pretty. Looks like I've seen this in the movies before.
The Monsell Head Viaduct, it says. Monsell Head Bridge. Monsell Head Bridge, that's what it is.
Monsell Head Bridge.
You can walk over it as you can see.
I know I can see people there.
See?